Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with another recipe. Today we will make lachha paratha, which is also known as Malabar parota or Kerala parota. So let's begin. First, I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add 2 teaspoon fine semolina or suji, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar and mix it well. I have listed down all the ingredients with their quantity in the description box below. You can refer it. Add 3 tablespoon melted ghee. Now give it a good mix. Make sure the ghee combines well. Add water as per requirement, part by part. Knead a dough which is neither too hard nor too soft. For more bhoga recipes, search for Krishna's Cuisine in YouTube and scroll down for all. Now sprinkle some all-purpose flour and knead the dough well. Important point here is, as much as we knead the dough, we get softer parathas. We need to knead a smooth dough. It has been 7 to 8 minutes and you can see the smooth texture of our dough. Now I will make equal sized balls out of it. Let's divide it. Now take a ball and with your fingers turn it inwards from down and make a smooth ball. Similarly, I will make other balls as well. All the dough balls are ready. Now apply some oil on the surface of the balls. Cover the balls using a wet cloth and let it rest for half an hour. It has been half an hour. Let's see the balls. Now sprinkle some maida on the floor. Roll a ball into a large thin chapati. Apply some melted ghee all over the chapati. Sprinkle all-purpose flour on the chapati. Make thin flakes of this chapati. Now try stretching this as much as you can. Do not pull it too hard. Now turn it inward to make a round. I have made this too. We will make the same with all other dough balls. All these are ready. Take one ball and roll it gently into a paratha. Do not roll it hardly or else you won't get the layers well. I have rolled it. Similarly, I will roll all of them into parathas. Now heat a tawa, place the paratha and let it cook. Turn it over. You can see few spots. Now apply some ghee. You can see multiple layers are visible. This will puff up really well after we cook them. Flip it over and apply some ghee again. Cook the parathas on low flame only so that they cook well from in. Our paratha is ready. Let's take it out. I will make one more paratha. We have made these parathas without baking soda or egg or any other artificial agents. Similarly, make all the parathas. All the Malabar parota are ready. I will crush and show you. You can see the amazing layers. They are fluffy, soft, and these are multiple layers. Our lachha parathas are ready. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer to Lord Krishna. Our Kerala parota is offered and ready. You can serve it with any curry or sabji that you like. If you like bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any bhoga recipe. If you like to watch bhoga recipes in Hindi, visit Govinda's Cuisine on YouTube. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.